Something big is stirring in the drone world, and this time the noise feels different. It's not coming from a polished teaser or a carefully staged announcement. It started with a single leaked image. Raw, unexpected, and impossible to ignore. The name attached to it? DJI Air4. That alone was enough to spark instant curiosity. But what really pushed the internet into overdrive was the context. This wasn't just a prototype sighting. It was reportedly a crashed test drone, captured mid-development, accidentally revealing more than DJI probably intended. And while the crash itself grabbed attention, the real story lies in what the image shows. Subtle design changes. A sharper silhouette. Thicker arms. A presence that feels more aggressive and more intentional than the Air 3. This leak doesn't suggest a simple refresh. It hints at DJI quietly rethinking the Air series altogether. Smarter flight, stronger safety, and a camera-focused upgrade path that could shift expectations for mid-range drones. If these early signs are accurate, the DJI Air4 may be closer to DJI's premium lineup than ever before. From the leaked top-down image, the DJI Air4's design immediately signals a shift in direction. The body looks more refined and angular, with lines that feel sharper and more confident than previous Air models. The most noticeable change, however, is the thicker arms. This isn't just a cosmetic tweak. In drone design, thicker arms often point to structural reinforcement, upgraded motors, or space for additional components. And all signs suggest DJI is doing more than just strengthening the frame. One of the most exciting rumors tied to this design is the possibility of expanded obstacle avoidance sensors, including sensors positioned on the top of the drone. If true, this would be a significant leap forward. The Air 3 offered respectable obstacle detection, but it didn't provide full, all-direction coverage. Adding more sensors would push the Air 4 closer to Mavic-level intelligence, allowing pilots to fly with greater confidence in complex environments like forests, urban streets, and tight tracking scenarios. Better obstacle avoidance isn't just about safety, it's about creativity. For filmmakers and content creators, stronger sensing unlocks smoother automatic tracking shots and fewer interruptions during flight. Imagine reliable subject tracking through trees or buildings without constantly worrying about collisions. That level of trust changes how you fly and what shots you attempt. Then there's the camera, which remains the biggest question mark, and the biggest source of excitement. While DJI hasn't confirmed specifications, leaks strongly suggest a camera upgrade over the Air 3. Some insiders even speculate about a move toward a 1-inch sensor, which would be a massive step for the Air series. A larger sensor would dramatically improve low-light performance, dynamic range, and overall image quality, delivering cleaner, more cinematic footage straight out of the drone. Even if DJI doesn't cross the 1-inch threshold, expectations are still high. The Air 4 is clearly being positioned with video creators in mind. Strong 4K performance is almost guaranteed, potentially paired with higher frame rates for slow-motion shots. Improvements in HDR, color science, and in-camera processing are also likely, continuing DJI's trend of producing footage that looks great with minimal post-production. For YouTubers, travel vloggers, and documentary shooters, that alone could make the Air 4 a standout option. Battery life is another critical area where DJI may be pushing forward. Rumors suggest internal design changes aimed at extending flight time, either through a larger battery or more efficient motors. Longer flights don't just mean more airtime, they mean greater stability in wind and more reliable performance in challenging conditions. It's a quiet but meaningful evolution. What makes the Air series so successful is its balance. It offers professional-level features without the weight, size, or complexity of flagship drones. The Air 4 looks ready to preserve that identity while adding smarter flight systems, stronger performance, and a more refined design. It's still compact, still travel-friendly, but increasingly capable of serious creative work. So when you step back and look at the bigger picture, the DJI Air4 feels like a carefully calculated move rather than a flashy reinvention. Based on leaks alone, it appears to be a thoughtful evolution, one that focuses on smarter flight, stronger safety, and better creative tools rather than headline-grabbing specs. If you already own a DJI Air 3, this may not be an urgent upgrade. But for anyone waiting for a truly balanced drone, compact, powerful, reliable, and creatively flexible, the Air 4 is shaping up to be something special. It could redefine what mid-range really means in DJI's lineup. This is exactly the kind of drone that quietly becomes a favorite. No unnecessary hype. Just the right mix of intelligence, performance, and freedom. And if the leaks hold true, the DJI Air 4 might just be the most refined air drone yet. Stay locked to Technify, because this story is far from over.